Yo, die koning van versekering. By Kingprice gaan dit oor koninklike besparings met 'n premie wat by jou begroting pas. Dis slim karversekering wat jou meer laat oorhou. Kingprice.
En Brent Lindekie, hy's natuurlik the good things guy. Hy gaan ons die goeie nuus bring. Goeiemôre, baie welkom.
Goeiemôre, Davie. Ek dink it's al 3 jaar lank when I was last year. It was 3
Ja,
years
jy was
ago.
al voorheen hier gewees.
But I'm back.
Ja,
Back with some good news.
dis heerlik om hier te. Kom ons praat oor die goeie nuus. Een daarvan is die trapsiekies of verkleermannetjies. Vertel ons daarvan.
So we reported a lot of the tragedy that happens around storms, and obviously we've had a lot of bad weather in South Africa, definitely down in Cape Town and the Eastern Cape. And baie van our stories, it's about people and helping people and sort of becoming the heroes during those tragedies. But here in the Eastern Cape, the SPCA are saying, please remember the chameleons. Please remember the little animals that might be impacted by weather or storms or fires. And if you do see them, put them in a box and call the SPCA immediately because they will rescue them and help them.
Interessant, ultraviolet, hulle blykbaar kan jy met in die nag met 'n ultraviolet lig.
So that's the big thing as well, is they're saying if you do have those lights, the UV lights, you need to please go and donate your own UV lights to the SPCA because they're very difficult to see during the day. But at night time, they actually almost glow in the dark under UV light.
Nou ons het ons eie Leon hier so in die ateljee. Ek meen hy's mos nou deesdae 'n lang afstand hardloper, maar daar's nog een Ludelia Kombrink. Sy gaan 166 km hardloop.
A fantastic story, and again, she's not doing it just for fun. I don't know who runs for fun or who would do that for fun, but she's doing it to actually help South African children. So the race is far more about endurance. She's raising awareness and funds for an organisation called Matla Abana, supporting children affected by sexual abuse through an organisation called Extreme for Kids is the initiative. And I love telling stories like this and writing stories about people in South Africa that are doing things that they find fun, like running or cycling or these extreme activities, for other people, to do it, to raise awareness and also geld.
Geld. Maar ek weet nie of jy gehoor het van die ou met die naam van The Good Things Guy nie.
That would be me!
Dis jy natuurlik. Jy's besig met stories. Vertel ons van die stories.
So, dis 'n groot ding vir ons as a team. We've been writing articles now for 11 years. We've got over 30,000 articles. A lot of stories that you featured today on the show, we've written as well, which is so exciting to see. But we thought about it, Youth Month is coming up. What about the kids? Are the kids getting this news? Are the kids able to absorb news when we talk about it? So we're taking the articles that we have written, some of the top trending stories, some of the biggest ones, and also the newest stuff. And we're making it kid-friendly, putting it into a children's-style storybook on the platform so that kids can actually get the news as well and be inspired by all this goeie nuus that we're putting out
Die goeie nuus, wel, dit beteken Leon kon ook dan nou toegang kry tot die nuus, né? Baie dankie daarvoor. Nou, nog iets wat vir my interessant is hierso, en dis snaaks dat jy het my so 'n lysie gegee van goeie nuus storieetjies. En Dr. Monica Moyer, sy het 14 miljoen rand grant gekry, oordrag gekry om navorsing te doen oor iets wat ons min van weet, en dis die Wes-Nyl virus.
Die Wes-Nyl
virus. Dis goeie nuus, né?
Dit is goeie nuus. So we know about malaria or the dengue virus. My father passed away many years ago from malaria. It does impact us. And these viruses are very prevalent. We see it in the news. Currently there's things
Ebola,
happening all around the world.
Wat sê die ander se naam?
Hantavirus is happening. But she's dedicated her life's work to researching the West Nile virus and learning more about it so that she can ultimately save people. So it is goeie nuus. And someone has seen it and gone, we believe in you. We think this is a good thing for the rest of the world. Here's 14 miljoen rand to do the work that you do so that we can get the best possible outcome.
Sê 'n bietjie vir my, né? Waar kom jy aan al jou goeie nuus stories? Al wat ek sien is slegte nuus soos wat ek nou net met die mense gedeel. Waar kom jy daaraan?
Om dit te follow, that was a little bit silly because we go from really, really low to really, really high. It gets sent to us. So when I started a decade ago, it was sometimes very difficult to report on one good news story every day because we couldn't find it. But 10 years later, and it doesn't stop.
Ek kan net vir jou sê, die slegte nuus storie wat ek nou net gedeel het. Dit is 'n goeie storie op 'n manier ook, want ek mag dit deel.
Jy mag dit
Ek
deel.
mag dit
And that's
sê.
a good news story
En
as
dit
well.
is 'n goeie storie. Daai het jy dit. Sit dit op jou lysie.
I'm going to go write it right away.
Suid-Afrikaans. Luister hierso, Brent Lindekie, the good things guy. Baie dankie dat jy by ons 'n draai kan maak. En dis heerlik om jou te gesê. Ek meen jy sommer die hele gemoed in die ateljee sommer net so opgelig.
Baie dankie. Dit is so lekker om hier te wees. And please invite me back. I know I speak a lot of English, but I love on Bait Soccer, and I'm sure your viewers love it, and I'd love to come back.
Ons gaan verseker 'n plan maak. Dankie
Baie
dat jy by ons 'n
dankie.
draai